Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mindful Convo. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also in the previous videos we had discussed about the screen scraping activity in the RPA. Now we will be going to discuss about the output actions. So as the name suggests, these are used to extract the data from the UI element and we can print them either in the output window, or we can take them in a file too. So we have four methods, like the first one is get text, second is get full text, then get visible text and get OCR text. These all four methods have their own definitions. Like if we see the get text activity, then it takes text from the element, and the get full text, it helps in capturing the info from the UI element as well as the hidden text from that element, though it also contains the option to ignore the hidden text. Now the next is the get visible text activity. This extracts the text of the UI element using the native screen scraping output method. Get OCR text activity, it extracts text from the UI element using the OCR screen scraping method. Now one by one we will going to discuss each and every method with the help of the practical example. So now we will, as we have the sequence, we will be taking the get text method first. So it only scrapes the text from the element. So we will be scraping the text of this snipping tool. So when I will indicate the window and choose the snipping tool, then what text will it give to me is the snipping tool. This is the only text here. So now first of all, what do? We want to store or save data in a variable that we get from the get text. Let's say the name is get text. Okay, now we will use the write line method and write the text in the output window. So when I will run the file, what output it will give to me? Let's see here. See, it gives us the snipping tool as output. Now we will be taking another method like the get full text. We will search here and we will get it, and then we will select, and then we will indicate on the window, and we will take the element variable here like full text. Now in this we had to write full text. So when I will run the file, what we will see in the output, that it will capture the info of the UI element as well as the hidden text from the element. So in the output window, what do we see? That it has taken all the info from the UI element, like it has taken the store, move, and snipping tool is moving, and all other info. And see here the help is the only symbol, and it has taken help too. And then it has also taken this invisible button, that is cancel. Now we will take the get visible text. So we will again indicate the screen like this, and so it will use the native method, and as we have already discussed, then in that in the native method it will not take the disable element, and it will okay now create the variable here visible text and mention it here visible text. Okay, so when I will run the file, what I will see that I will be getting the new mode, delay and options. Since it is disabled, so it will have a blank space here. Okay, so now we will be take a look on the get OCR method. OCR. Get OCR text. Okay, now when I will indicate the screen, then using the OCR method, first of all we need to create the variable OCR text and we need to mention it here. Okay, then we can run the file, and in the file, in the output, what we will see that it can only take all the elements and also the various other things like braces or the semicolon and these other things. It can also see and capture the elements from the image too. Okay, so as in the OCR method we had various other methods too, like it is a tesseract OCR, and we can also mention any name here and then use it. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Do practice as I say always. So goodbye.